When your Element Xumo TV won't turn on, start with the basics. First, check that the power cord is securely connected to both your TV and the wall outlet. If power connections look good, perform a cold boot. Unplug the power cord from your TV and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This clears any temporary issues and allows the TV to fully reset. Your Xumo TV might be in standby mode rather than completely off. Look for any indicator lights, then press the home button on your remote to wake the TV from standby. External devices connected through HDMI or USB ports can sometimes interfere with the TV's startup process. Unplug all external devices and try powering on the TV again. Check your remote control by pointing it directly at the TV with no obstructions. A blinking white light that turns off indicates a startup failure. Also, ensure your TV isn't in extreme temperatures, as this can prevent it from turning on. If your TV still won't turn on, after trying these basic troubleshooting steps, you may need more advanced solutions like a factory reset. When basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset is often the next step. If your Xumo TV turns on, you can perform a factory reset through the settings menu. If you cannot access the settings menu, use the physical panel button on your TV. Hold the panel button for 30 to 35 seconds to initiate a factory reset. If you see a black screen but hear sound, the backlight may have failed and requires professional repair. However, first check your HDMI connections and ensure the correct source input is selected. For setup issues with a black screen or HDMI error, press the home button on your Xumo remote once and wait 15 seconds. This can resolve standby mode issues. If problems persist, check for software updates by going to Settings, then System, then Software Update. As a last resort, contact Xumo or Spectrum support, especially if your device is under warranty.